Let's make a fall hanging towel for our kitchen. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I got these towels at Dollar General. They were a buck. Look how cute. Now, and I also have this pot holder. Now, if you have it folded the way it's naturally folded, the way Dollar General folds it, then see how my pot holder, it kind of overhangs a little bit. So for me, I didn't want that overhang. So see how I put my pot holder on and it covers the entirety of the width of that towel? That's what I wanted. If you'd like it the other way, that's fine. Now flip it over. Put your pot holder on top with the design facing up, and then we're going to sew it down the middle. You can, put some pins on to make sure that it's all in place, whatever. And then once you've sewn it, you want to clip your edges so that you don't have any strings hanging. And then look. I then take some buttons that I got from Dollar Tree and pick out one that I think will look good. Make sure that your button actually fits in that little loop though, because if it doesn't, it's not going to work. So then I'm going to just sew. This is the hardest part of this whole thing, is sewing the button onto the pot holder. And to be clear, that's not very hard either. So see how I just knotted my piece of thread? And I know, friends, I always put too much thread. I do too much thread. So there's like 4 miles of it, but I'm always afraid I'm going to do too little and I will run out. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But you notice how I'm doing this and I'm only going through the top layers. I'm not going through the bottom. And so we just sew the button. I'm not good at sewing buttons. I'm not going to lie. This is a hot mess express. But you can't see it. So in all fairness, it's okay. So don't get freaked out about it. Don't make it like it's a big deal to sew a button. Nobody's going to see the back of the button. It's fine. So just do it. Okay. All right. So, and all I'm doing, see, I'm just putting it through the fabric on the bottom and then I lace it up through the holes. I do that several times just because this is going to be taking some stress because we're going to attach it to our oven door. And so it's going to be getting some stress, right? It's going to be pulled on a little bit and you just want to make sure that it's really on there. Then once you do as many times as you want to go through the buttonholes, then all I'm doing now is just knotting around the initial, God, words are hard. I'm so sorry. All I'm doing is knotting it and it's going around all of those threads that we did earlier. And now I'm just putting it through, knotting it one more time. I have a tendency to be overboard when it comes to knotting. I don't know why. It's like I never know how many is enough. But this end part, I'm just knotting the end and then I'm cutting off the excess thread, and then that's it. Friends, I mean, stop. It was that easy. Come and look at how cute this is. And then you just loop that in there and you've got a hanging towel. You could do a whole set. These were $1 a piece. Are you kidding me? And this is what it looks like on my stove. What? I know. It's crazy. It's so easy. Anyways, friends, I hope this inspires you. Thank you so much for watching.